Hello, my name is John Daly and I'm an instructor with the Key class. And today we're going to talk about the difference between a debit card and a credit card. A debit card is attached to your checking account and only uses the money in that account. There is no interest or fees for using the card. This is a good thing because a debit card is an easy tool. However, there are things to be careful with. For example, if you spend all the money in your checking account, there's an overdraft fee, and that leads to your purchase costing you much more than the sale price. Another place to be careful with debit cards is when using an ATM that is not the same as your bank, as there is usually a small fee to take money out. Lastly, because your debit card is linked directly to your checking account, it is much more vulnerable to fraud. While your PIN number helps prevent this, it is important to always check your purchase receipts. When you use your debit card, it is wise to save the receipts and enter the amount that you have spent into your check register or expense sheet to keep track of your balance. While your bank provides you with a debit card for little to no cost, a credit card is something you have to apply for, and most of the time there are fees associated in order to join. A credit card has its own credit limit, which is how much you can spend. Your credit limit is based upon both the amount of money that you earn and your credit score. If you are to pay off your credit card balance monthly, you are not charged an interest fee. This is a plus, as you have, in a sense, borrowed money for 30 days interest-free. If you do not pay the bill off in full, there is an additional interest fee that leads to your purchase costing you more than its sale price. The interest rate charged for purchases is different from the interest rate charged for taking cash from an ATM. The spread is often 10 to 20% higher for cash than for interest rate on purchases. If you can avoid it, never take cash from a credit card. The higher interest rate stays until the entire balance of the card is paid off. While credit cards sound difficult, there are benefits in credit cards that vary depending upon the company. Overall, the credit card is a wonderful thing for emergencies and unexpected expenses. A credit card can help you build a good credit score. A good credit score is a must when purchasing a house or a car or any other large item. Some credit cards even offer points for traveling or cash back on purchases, and others have really good fraud protection. Therefore, it's important to do your research on what credit card is best for you. I hope that this has been helpful. I invite you to go to www.thekeyclass.com for more information.